Today I'm going to show you how to get Roblox on PS5 in just a few quick steps. If you've been wondering how to download and install Roblox on your PlayStation 5, this guide will walk you through the exact process so you can get set up fast and start playing. It's simple, it only takes a minute, and you don't need any complicated setup. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, turn on your PS5 and make sure you're signed into your PlayStation account and connected to the internet. Once you're on the home screen, go to the PlayStation Store. You can find it from the main menu, and this is where you'll download games and apps for your console. When the PlayStation Store opens, move to the search option. Use the search bar and type in Roblox. Make sure you spell it correctly so the right result appears. After that, select Roblox from the search results. You should see the official listing for the game or app. Now open the Roblox page and look for the install button. Once you see it, click install and let the download begin. Your PS5 will start downloading Roblox automatically, and depending on your connection, it should finish pretty quickly. While it's downloading, you can check the progress from your download section if you want to see how far along it is. Once the installation is complete, Roblox will be ready on your PS5. From there, you can launch it and sign into your Roblox account to start playing. If you already have an account, just log in as usual. If not, you can create one and then begin exploring the games available. And that's all there is to it. Go to the PlayStation Store, search for Roblox and click install. Super easy. If this tutorial helped you, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching and enjoy playing Roblox on your PS5.